She's like,
you got this. Let me get around this.
I thought you weren't hungry, Jada.
she wants to see the floor. Oh, jellyfish.
There she goes.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Oh, she gotta have 2 hands.
Happy Thanksgiving, Jenny.
Never. She's gonna get it all over herself.
Jada, look at mommy. Hi, Jada. Hi. Okay. That's enough. Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah, that's enough. Jeez.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Jennifer.
Like Grandma.
Clean her up.
Ah.
Come on, she got it all over her strap.
All right.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye-bye.